The first thing we're going to do is just grab one of these backdrop, which is pretty simple to set up. Then I'm gonna take these streamers and I'm gonna put some tape at the end like that, and then we're going to attach it to the pole like that, and we're going to attach all white one by one. I'm gonna do like 5 of them, and then on top of it I'm gonna put some pink and some blue. Just display how you would like it, how you would think it looks nice, or whatever color you guys are doing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do another line, and I'm going to do this line in pink. So you see how I did all white and then I put a few color on top. I'm gonna do all pink in the other side and then put a few color on top, and then I'm gonna do another white, and just like that, alternating. Then I got these pom pom, and they have it in Dollar Tree. I'm just, the only thing you have to do with it, this one's already come done, just open it up like that, which is pretty simple to do. This one you could also do with tissue paper, but I think it's too much time consuming, so I just went ahead and just did it myself. So just go ahead and open this up, and you will need the big one and you also will need the small one. So after you open the pump up, I'm gonna go ahead and take the small one, and I'm going to cut the string. And here I cut the whole string, but make sure not to cut it, make sure to leave some space so you could attach it to the other one in the middle like that. So then when you attach it, it holds into place. And then you could also attach it here with a string. You can attach it to the backdrop. So you're gonna go ahead and take the string and tie it in with the rope on top like that. Just tie it up, and then you're gonna do alternator. You could do one color, or I'm gonna do one white and two pink and then two blue. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. They also have this one, this small one. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, pretty simple, and then they have like a little pin that you could just place it inside to hold it together. So then I'm gonna take some tape. You can use some double-sided tape, and then just go ahead and place it in the back like that. And then after you place it in the back, just go ahead and attach it to the pom-pom like that, to the flowers. Just go ahead and attach it in there. So just go ahead and put a few of them all the way around there. You're just gonna go ahead and do different colors around there like this one. This is how it turns out, which I think it came out so cute. So this is how I did it with a table. I'm just showing you guys how nice you guys can display it, and it will look so cute and elegant, and it's so inexpensive and cheap that anybody can do. These are more for beginner DIY people that don't do party decorations, which is something simple that you guys can do. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab some balloons and I'm gonna blow them up. I'm gonna blow different balloons. I'm gonna do blue, pink, and yellow, whatever color you guys do. And then I got this little string that you put it, you're gonna take one balloon and place it inside through a little hole. Make sure to put it through the big hole, and then you're gonna slide it to the big hole, and then you're just gonna go ahead and alternate and do different colors until you do the whole thing like this one. Then after that, just go ahead and attach it to the corner of the stand. And the way that I did it, I took like a little string, just place it through the balloon, and then you're going to attach it like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. As you can see here, I just did it without nothing in the back, just the paper. But you could also put like a curtain in the back, and it would just turn out like this one. So this one is with a curtain. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY and it's helpful for you. Let's not forget to like and share.